So up there is the other ends of those fuel lines. Not really in a very good spot to get a wrench on. The one is the fitting is right there when it first comes out. So if you see once it come out of this bulkhead, it's buried under the two other lines. That's one fitting, and then the other one is the one of those three that are together there. The one to the bottom, I guess. The first of the three. So if I take that one out first and pull it out of the way, I think that'll give me better access than I just got like a 1/4 inch, maybe an air line there. That's going to be in the way of getting that fitting apart. It's certainly not going to be easy. Well, this is the other side of them where they come through. And then they go up there. And I got them disconnected already. Fuck. Damn fuel lines just rotted away.